How to verify OnlyFans account. Now, before we go ahead into the video, I'd like to let you guys know that there are two types of OnlyFans account. So the first account is going to be for just a regular user or a premium user, and the other account is going to be for content creator. Now, if you are just a regular user and wanting to verify your account, all you need is a working email address and as well as a working card as your payment method. So for you to be able to have it verified, just simply create an account and make sure that the email address that you are associating with your OnlyFans account is working. Now, next thing to do is you can go ahead and choose on add card. And from here, you'll just have to add a specific working credit card or even a Visa card that you can use for you to be able to subscribe to any of the features that OnlyFans is providing us. So that's it. Have a working email address and install or accredit your payment method from your OnlyFans account. And that's how you easily verify your OnlyFans account.